Some homes are beautiful, but some homes make you feel something the moment you walk inside. Across America, these English-inspired homes are bringing back warmth, character, and timeless design. From rainy New England cottages to elegant southern homes filled with antiques and soft lamplight, this is cozy living at its finest. These homes are not about trends. They are about creating spaces that feel lived in, collected, and deeply comforting. Every room tells a story through layered textures, vintage details, and the kind of warmth modern homes often forget. Theme 1. Rainy English Mood. There is something deeply comforting about an English-inspired home on a rainy day. Warm lamps glowing against dark cloudy skies, soft plaid blankets draped over worn armchairs, the quiet crackle of a stone fireplace filling the room. These homes are not designed to impress at first glance. They are designed to make you feel safe, calm, and completely at home. Every corner feels collected over time. Stacked books, antique wood furniture, faded floral fabrics, and windows fogged by the rain outside. This is cozy living at its most timeless. Theme 2. Summer Garden Elegance. English-inspired homes feel especially magical in the summertime. Open windows, flowing linen curtains, fresh garden roses on the table, and warm sunlight pouring across old oak floors. These interiors blur the line between indoors and outdoors, creating spaces that feel soft, airy, and beautifully lived in. Nothing feels overly decorated. Instead, every room feels naturally layered with vintage charm, collected pieces, and effortless elegance. It is the kind of home that invites you to slow down and enjoy the beauty of everyday life. Theme 3, Autumn, New England. Few things feel more timeless than an English-inspired home during autumn in New England. The glow of amber lamps, plaid blankets beside the fireplace, dark wood furniture, and cozy rooms filled with warmth as the leaves change outside. These homes embrace comfort in the most elegant way. Layered textures, antique decor, rich colors, and spaces designed for slow evenings indoors. There is a nostalgic beauty here that feels both luxurious and deeply personal. Not perfect, but full of soul, warmth, and character. Theme 4, Historic American Homes with English Interiors. Some of the most beautiful homes across America combine historic architecture with timeless English-inspired interiors. Grand staircases, aged wood floors, antique fireplaces, and rooms layered with collected decor that feels passed down through generations. These homes are elegant without feeling cold, luxurious without feeling modern, and refined without losing warmth. Every detail tells a story, from vintage paintings to worn leather chairs and softly glowing brass lamps. This is a style built on timeless beauty, heritage, and the art of creating a home that truly feels alive. Which of these English-inspired homes felt the most comforting to you? Let me know in the comments below. If you love timeless interiors filled with warmth, character, and collected beauty, don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring house tours. Thank you for spending time inside these beautiful homes with me. I hope they inspired you to create spaces that feel personal, cozy, and truly timeless. Before you go, save this video for future home inspiration and subscribe for more cozy interiors, timeless design ideas, and beautiful house tours from around the world. Until next time, keep creating a home that feels warm, collected, and beautifully lived in.